Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating core prerequisites so training won't stall. Check that at least 80% of your data is labeled, missing values are under 5%, and schema matches production. Once done, install Python 3.10 and the correct CUDA driver, then reserve 1/2 of a GPU for experiments to avoid resource contention. Next, spin up a quick baseline model, one small architecture for a single epoch, to measure initial loss and latency, which gives you a clear starting point. You now refine the pipeline and model for smooth, repeatable performance. First, make the feature pipeline robust. Batch, normalize, cache, and run transforms asynchronously so I/O doesn't block training. Then apply model optimizations, enable mixed precision, prune 10 to 30% of redundant weights, use a learning rate schedule, and add early stopping to prevent wasted cycles. Once done, validate with cross-validation and calibration. Make sure to monitor distribution shift using simple tests like a Kolmogorov-Smirnov check to catch unseen drift. You finish by packaging and guarding the pipeline so production runs smoothly. Containerize the model, version both code and weights, and deploy with a canary a /b rollout to test real traffic. Make sure to implement monitoring for latency SLOs, error budgets, and drift alerts, and schedule periodic retraining when thresholds are breached. If things go wrong, the fastest fix is to roll back to the previous version or immediately reduce batch size to lower memory pressure. This buys you time to diagnose root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.